Who likes jalapeno poppers? I know I do. Today we're going to make these delicious jalapeno popper chips, and they're going to be really easy to make, and they taste absolutely gorgeous, and they're going to be great for eating fresh or freeze drying. So come along and follow me, and let's see how we put these together. All right, so here we go. I got 3 bags, 6 ounces each, of grated Parmesan. I've fried up, actually I baked up, 1 pack, 12-ounce package of bacon, and broke it up into little chips. And we got 1 12-ounce jar of diced jalapeno peppers. The first thing I'm going to do is we're going to drain these jalapeno peppers. Then we're going to take our bags of grated Parmesan. Of course, you can grate your own if you want. I'm going to dump those into our bowl here. A large mixing bowl. Just like that. Now let's take our bacon bits, dump those in there. Try and get that bacon all nice and evenly distributed through there. Now I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, that seems pretty well mixed in. I'm going to take my jalapeno peppers. We're going to try and squeeze out as much of that moisture as we can. Alright, we'll take those, dump them in. Now we'll take that and just give that a good mix. We're almost there. Alright, I'm going to put some gloves on now. Take a little bit of our non-stick. Spray our muffin top tins. Then we're just going to take some of this mixture of cheese and fill each mold. Try and keep all the cheese in the little shallow muffin top. Alright, there you have it. So we are going to put these in our 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 15 or 20 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on them. We want them to get lightly golden brown, but we don't want them to get burnt, so we'll keep a close eye on it. Your oven may vary, and let these melt down and get nice and crisp, and we'll see you when they come out. Okay, those just come out of the oven. They are piping hot, and I ended up doing those for about 12 minutes, and I could start seeing they were getting kind of brown, too brown. So you want to keep an eye on those. Now, I'm going to let these cool down a bit, and then we'll take them out of the muffin tins. I'll see you then. Okay, I just let them cool down a little, minute or two. They come out nicely. I'm going to put them on paper towel so they can kind of absorb any oil. These look delicious. All right. That looks good. Now, I did have just a little bit left over. So rather than let that go to waste, we're going to run these through. Alright, we got those running, those last 4. So I am going to test one of these that are warm. You guys ready for the great reveal? Oh man. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I am super happy with those. And I can't wait to get them freeze dried to where they're turned into a really crunchy. So there you have it. What do you think of that? Definitely get that jalapeno there. Those are delicious. Now let's get these ready for freeze dry them. I'm going to line my trays with paper towels so that any grease from that cheese and that bacon will get absorbed during the freeze drying process. Put a layer of paper towels on the top. Those are good. I got 4 more in the oven. I'm going to try and squeeze those on here, and I'll see you when they come out. Okay, those last 4 are just out of the oven. I'll let those cool down a little bit and we'll transfer them over here. But I wanted to give you a nice close-up of this. Hopefully that'll come out so I can use it for a thumbnail. But this is cooled down. I want to see what they taste like once they cool down a little bit. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're going to put paper towel on the top for the same reason we did on the bottom. Stop making a mess in our freeze dryer. I'm going to use my grate here just to hold those paper towels down. I'm going to transfer this to the freezer, get it frozen solid, and these will be going into my next freeze dryer load. And next time you see them, they'll be coming out and they'll be a nice crispy treat. I'll see you then. Alright, here we go. My jalapeno poppers are done. Let's see how they came out. Oh, they look kind of pretty. So I'm going to store them in this tray here because we're just going to eat those for the week, next week or so as snacks. Alright. I'll throw a vacuum seal on these that we're not going to eat today. So let's bite in, see how they taste. Oh yeah. Those are good. Nice and crunchy, and they got a jalapeno kick to it, let me tell you. You know what? Those could go on the supermarket shelf and be sold for chips. I'm telling you, these are gorgeous. Oh yeah. The cheese from the Parmesan, the bacon, real bacon, jalapenos. Couldn't ask for more. These are gorgeous. Oh yeah. John, you did it again. What do you think about those? Jalapeno poppers. Crisp chips. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Let's see if we can come up with another invention.